Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre on the first day of November. It certainly doesn't feel like summer this morning, with single-digit minimums over the western and central parts of South Africa. On top of that, cloudy weather in the Western Cape with showers along the west coast at first. As the low moves east, we're expecting the rain to start clearing from the west. It's going to be a wet day along the south coast and adjacent interior. And after stormy weather the past couple of days on the Highveld, we're expecting a sunny afternoon in Gauteng, with thunderstorms mainly in the Lowveld and adjacent escarpment. Dry conditions in the Free State today, a 40% chance of rain over most of KZN and the Eastern Cape. Rain starting to clear from the west along the west coast and the southern parts of the Northern Cape, but scattered showers still likely along the south coast and the adjacent interior. Cooler afternoon for George with a high of 18, 21 degrees in Port Elizabeth and East London. Cape Town warming to 22. Slightly warmer in Vredendal at 25, mid-20s in Kimberley and Bloemfontein as well. And it's going to be much warmer than that in Pretoria with a high of 29. Maximums exceeding 30 degrees in Limpopo today with mid-20s along the KZN coastline. Expect a windy afternoon along the west coast, southerlies up to 45 kilometers per hour in Alexander Bay with an open ocean swell of 2 meters. Further south, although we're not expecting a windy morning, it's going to become very breezy today in False Bay and Table Bay with wind speeds of 40 kilometers per hour. There's an open ocean swell of 3 meters and rain is still very likely along the Overberg coastline. For the south coast today, wet weather in store, southerly to southwesterlies up to 35 kilometers per hour in Port Elizabeth, and winds will become southeasterly tonight. There's an open ocean swell of 3 meters with a southerly direction. For the east coast, windy conditions along the Wild Coast and in East London. Wind speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour today, moderate southeasterlies for Durban and Richards Bay with a southeasterly swell of 1.5 meters. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful Friday.
News that moves. eNCA.com